So instead of just having your logo, have a subscribe so you can get viewers to take action. But how do you do that? When you're setting up your YouTube channel and you're optimizing your videos because you want people to subscribe, one thing you need to make sure you do is add your watermark to your video. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how you do that now. So let's head over to my desk and I'll show you now. So go onto your YouTube channel and then you want to select the Creator Studio button to take you into your editing area. So it defaults to take you straight to Video Manager videos, but for the watermark we want to come down to the channel option, click the drop down menu and select branding. So here you can see the watermark that I've already got on my video, so I'm going to remove this. And this is how your screen will look if you haven't already got a watermark added. So then we're going to add watermark, and remember to keep your file size to under 1 megabyte. I'm going to choose file and I've got a new one ready to upload and save and save. And there is my new watermark, and now you have the choice to adjust what time you want your watermark to appear during the course of your video, or you can change to go to end video for the entire video or a custom start time. I'm going to click for the entire video and then update. So now if we go back to, and there you can see successfully saved. Go back to our dashboard and view channel. And there you can see it arrives straight away as soon as the video starts playing, and that will be on all your videos. So when anyone hovers over it, then of course you immediately get that option to subscribe, which is just another good place to encourage and give your viewers the option to subscribe to your channel. So there you have it, all done. You can have a watermark to help people that find your videos subscribe to your channel and become loyal followers. Below, maybe you've got another tip you'd like to share with us, so please, I'd love to hear from you. And if you did find this useful, give me a thumbs up and let me know that you've enjoyed this video, and why not subscribe? Yay! Thanks very much. I'll catch you next time.